So, dahil 7 days tayong lumaban sa hamon ng buhay, I think deserve natin ang mag-unbox. I got these items from Onichang AE. So, si Mitsuri from Demon Slayer, ayan, bumabalay-balentong. And then, si Freeren naman sa Mimic, which is the real reason why ako nagpunta doon, ha. Tapos, eto naman, ang free item ko, I chose this kasi it's pink. So, both are in mint condition. Actually, at first, I had no intention of buying this Mitsuri. But then again, I don't see any other seller selling this kind. Kaya, alam mo na, because of rarity. Tapos, ito naman si Freeren, mint condition din. So, bubuin na natin sila. Well, yung sword ni Mitsuri, hindi ko alam paano ko ilalagay nang nakapaikot. So, i-determine ko pa, ha? Eto na, buo na sila. So, si Freeren, ayan, kagat-kagat ng Mimic. Tapos, si Mitsuri with effect, pink na pink. So, love Hashira talaga. Hindi ko alam saan sila actually ilalagay ngayon kasi nakakaluwag-luwag man tayo sa buhay. Hindi naman tayo nakakaluwag-luwag sa bahay. But then again, that's okay. Stay happy, stay unbothered. Next time ulit. Bye!